pabalik na ako. Sobrang layo talaga ng school ni Sook ito. Yan naman ang nilakbay ko guys. Sook Elementary School. Hanggang kailan kaya matapos ang ating paglalakbay? Marami pa tayong paglalakbay. Talagang sulok. Basta mga elementary ka primary, tara nasa sulok guys. And shout out sa inyo. Yung aking driver ay naghintay doon sa baba. Thank you so much for watching my Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. To all my friends there, thank you so much everyone. Have a good day everyone. Good morning.